Nagu Taino. Taino colors. Haiti, black. Yamui Haiti, black cat. You, white. Siruma you, white cloud. Haiti you, gray. Manati Haiti you, gray manatee. Ita, red. Ana ita, red flower. Itayú, pink. Lirén itayú, pink fruit. Guatoana, orange. Auyama guatoana, orange pumpkin. Marillan, yellow. Ananas marillan, yellow pineapple. Coturo, green. TBC coturo, green vegetable. Gutusu, blue. Ture gutusu, blue sky. There are two words in Taino for purple. One is anigua, purple. The other is morado. This one comes from Spanish. You can say nagua anigua, purple skirt. Or nagua morado, purple skirt. Oanake, brown. Que oanake, brown soil. Kaona, gold. Gue kaona, gold sun.